Namaste, welcome to Srimad Cuisine. Today we are going to see how to make peanut candy using raw candy. It's a very easy recipe and extremely quick to make. The ingredients which you need for making this recipe is around a cup of roasted peanut. I'm going to be crushing it very coarsely, and what I have done is I got only this raw candy. You also get it in a smaller form. So I have actually broken this into fine pieces using a stone, and I have put it into a mixer and made it into fine powder. You also need around a teaspoon of clarified butter. That is optional. What I have done is I have taken the powdered rock candy into a non-stick pan, and then I have kept it on a very low heat. I'm going to melt this and then immediately add the crushed peanut. So what I've done is I have taken the powdered rock candy into a non-stick pan. As you can see, it has started to caramelize on a very, I've kept it on a very low heat. I've not added even 1 teaspoon of water. No need to add water to this. As soon as this smells and caramelize, I would be adding the crushed peanut to this and immediately switch it off. You can ask me why I have not added jaggery, why I am not using jaggery at this point of time. That is another recipe. But using raw candy, generally the peanut, as we call it as chicky here, it becomes very crispy. In jaggery, there is a certain cooking temperature. You have to cook jaggery until that temperature to get a very crispy candy. But this is extremely easy and takes around only 10 minutes. As you can see, it is starting to caramelize, and I keep on stirring this until all of these gets melted. The heat should be on low or medium to low. Keep mixing. Now I'm going to be adding, at this point I'm going to be adding around a teaspoon of clarified butter or ghee. This is just for taste purpose. And I'm also greasing this plate to pour this peanut chicky, to let it cool and then make it into squares. I put the peanut into the caramelized sugar. I have switched off the gas now, and I'm going to put it over the greased plate and let it cool for some time. I poured it into a plate and I have flattened it. I'm waiting for it to cool down. I'm cutting it. I will be cooling them completely before I break them into small pieces. The entire duration for making this recipe was around 10 minutes. So this is the final product. You can store it in an airtight container. It has come out really crispy. For more interesting recipes, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you. Namaste.